So this is my hair when I wake up in the morning, what it looks like. It's quite wavy and kind of out of control, so it takes quite a long time to style. So I've decided to go for a Brazilian Blowdry or keratin treatment. So I bought this on Amazon for £26. It's got the whole kit in here, so I'm going to try this and see how it goes. So Brazilian Blowdry is basically coating the hair in a product which makes it more manageable and takes away the frizz. So it lasts for about 3 months and it gradually washes out, and you need to use a salt-free shampoo and conditioner to maintain it so it doesn't wash out. So if you go to a salon, this is like in London, it's between £100 and £200. So, you know, saving quite a lot of money by doing it yourself. So let's see whether it's possible and what the results are. So the first step is to wash your hair twice with this little shampoo that comes with it. Next, you need to blow dry your hair straight. So you need a brush which has quite firm bristles, so you can stretch your hair and make it straight. And the hairdryer should be on a medium heat. Next step is to apply the keratin treatment, which comes in this little pot. First of all, you shake it. So if you've got really long hair, then you'll use the whole thing. If you've got short hair, you can get 3 or 4 applications out of this. So it comes with this little brush, which you apply it with. So if you've got long hair, it also comes with clips where you can section your hair and apply it neatly. If your hair is shorter, you know, just apply it however you want. So you apply it to each section, and then it comes with this comb, where you comb it through like this, and then you go on to the next section. And it doesn't actually smell too bad. It smells like cake. It smells like biscuits. And the comb is also to remove the excess. You don't want it to be dripping. You just want enough product to work. Okay, so you comb this through, and now I leave this for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you want to dry the product into your hair, again using a brush and the hairdryer. The final step you may need to get some help with, so you need some straightening irons and a comb, and what you want to do is straighten the product onto your hair, going away from your face. So again, if you've got longer hair, it'll be more tricky, but and you're supposed to do each section 7 times, so it's a bit time consuming. So this is what it looks like immediately afterwards. So it's completely flat and it's straight. The kind of waviness and the frizziness is gone. It feels amazingly soft. So for the next 3 days I can't wash my hair or get my hair wet, or that will affect the final outcome. So after 3 days I can wash it and do what I like. So it's been a week and a half. My hair is still really smooth and straight, and you can see when I lift it up it falls. It has a certain weight to it which I never had when it was wavy. So yeah, this stuff definitely works and it lasts. So I think this would be really good if you have wavy hair and you want to grow your hair out, because it's quite difficult to grow curly hair, but this would basically allow you to do that. For me, I think this is a little bit too flat, so I'll be quite happy when it grows, but it's a good product. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, leave them below, and please subscribe. Have a good day.